Hey everyone, welcome back to How To with Sunny. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download music from the YouTube audio library as an MP3 file. This is useful if you need music for your YouTube videos, shorts, tutorials, or other projects. First, open YouTube in your browser. Click your profile picture in the top right corner. Then select YouTube Studio. Once YouTube Studio opens, look at the menu on the left. Scroll down and click Audio Library. Here, you'll see a large collection of music tracks and sound effects that YouTube makes available for creators. You can use the filters at the top to search by genre, mood, artist, duration, or other options. To preview a track, click the play button next to it. Once you find a song you want to use, look on the right side of the track and click Download. The music file will now download to your computer. You can usually find it inside your Downloads folder. The track should be saved as an audio file that you can then import into your video editing software. Before using a track, make sure you check the license information. Some tracks can be used without attribution, while others may require you to credit the artist in your video description. And that's how to download music from the YouTube audio library. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to How To with Sunny for more quick and easy tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.